The ultimate nanotechnology liquid lens protector is the very latest development of the nanotechnology industry. The #1 solution certified by top European laboratories. A revolutionary protective liquid for all lenses, optical glasses, sunglasses, masks and visors. Water resistant, hydrophobic, water repellent effect. Antibacterial. Bacteria can cause conjunctivitis and dermatological and epidermal problems. Oleophobic, dirt repellent effect, against finger marks, grease, pollution. Micro-scratch resistant, helps to protect and avoid the micro-scratches of daily use, providing clear vision and cleanness. Crystal lattice-like structure, forming one of the strongest chemical shields that can be achieved. As the molecules hold the protective layer together, the grid will ensure that your surface remains tight and provides greater stability.